This is Marvel Metal Universe 28312, and we're going to randomize these names 5 times to see who gets the Spider-Man spot. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 goes to Loki. And Scooter-Man. Would probably also help if I grabbed the box.
Hello. I believe one of the Marvel breaks filled.
Yes, I'm just doing it now, and then I realized I had to find the box.
Oh, yes. Oh, the internet's cooked, I think. It's yours as well.
Is it?
Oh. Yeah. Oh, Marvel Metal is there. Good. I was about to say, I wonder if it's in there.
Marvel Metal Universe?
Yeah. What? I am so fucked.
Thank you.
Yeah, I think we're out. Did the internet just die?
Oh, we've got sending data offline. Damn it. Well, I mean, everything's still moving on Restream, so I think we might be fine. Okay.
Are you back yet?
I think so. Everything's moving on Restream,
Alright,
so I
sweet.
think it's fine. If you get a real life Pokemon, probably Eevee. I think Eevee would be like a little sweetheart, and then obviously Eevee can potentially evolve into something else. I don't know. I just think Eevees would make great pets.
Did people say that we dropped out?
No? No
Oh.
one said anything.
Shit. I don't know where the whatnot phone is.
I think it's here. I think it's here.
Thank you. Thank you.
Who would you guys choose if you could have a real life Pokemon? Because I'm just like, I think Magikarp would make me sad. And I'm not sure that Snom would really survive in our climate, so. We have Kang the Conqueror, Tigra, Spectrum, Iron Fist. We have Ant-Man in the gold, and Goliath. Beast, Quicksilver, Speed, Norman Osborn, Scarlet Witch in the Grandiose, and Titania. Thanos, Iron Lad, Grey Gargoyle, Scarlet Witch, Gold Sentry, and Moon Knight. Oh, Blake left. We have Ant-Man, Lionheart, Justice, Nighthawk, Ant-Man. Also in Grandiose, but looking shinier, and Beast. Wasp, Claw, Enchantress, Wolverine. We have Tiger Shark in purple. Oh, numbered 26 of 199. Ghost Rider, War Machine, Wonder Man, Doctor Doom in Precious Metal Gems, numbered 75 of 100. We have Metal Black Panther and Tigra. Kill the stream then left. Trust. Of course. Wait, are we actually still... I mean, if that message has come through, surely we're still live. Surely. Maybe. It says streaming. I think we're fine. Black Panther, Yellow Jacket, Quasar. We have Hulkling. Iron Lad, numbered 9 of 199. And Patriot. Tiger Shark, Kree, Skrulls, Spider-Man. We have Black Panther Arkweld. And a Whirlwind. What are Black Panther cards in this set? Or in this box? We have Black Widow, Miles Morales, Jessica Jones, Winter Soldier, Nighthawk. Number 199. And Abomination. Keeps cutting out. No! I thought they'd fix this problem while I was away, and I fear it does not happen. We'll have a look after this break. I'll have a suss and see if there's anything we can do. We have Human Torch, Citizen V, Graviton, Blue Marvel, Jessica Jones, Precious Metal Gems, 4 of 50. Let's go. Captain America. Wiccan, Darkhawk, Loki, Ultron. We have Tigra in the orange, numbered 15 of 25. And Blue Marvel. And our last pack is She-Hulk, Whirlwind, Serpent Society, Ares. We have Metalheads of Ultron. Oh, that's such a sick card. And Nova.